Una good morning all of una wey dey lis ten to me today. My name na Williams Glory and I bring una the open heavens on the go for Pidgin. The open heavens na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Thursday, 18th of January 2024 and the topic for today na the Book of Remembrance part 3. Our memory verse dey for Psalm 103 verse 2 and it talk say, "My soul, make you praise God, make everything wey dey inside you praise the holy name." And our Bible reading dey for Psalm 103 verse 1 to 5. "My soul, make you praise God, make everything wey dey inside you praise the holy name." My soul, make you praise God, make you no forget all the good things wey you don do. Na him dey forgive people their sin and dey heal different disease. He save our life for the pit, come crown us with mercy and him love wey no dey fail. He satisfy our life with good things and even as we still dey young, our life strong like eagle wing. Now the message. Today I go talk about how e dey important make woman be also open book of remembrance about the good things wey Baba God dey do, so they go fit give am praise just the way our Bible reading talk am today. Long time ago, I don come realize say plenty people dey quick to forget the better things wey God don do for them. For example, when things dey go well, e dey easy make person mind full for praise for Baba God wey create am. But if things no come go well, na the same person go quick forget all the better things wey God don do for am. You come dey complain anyhow. David see this kind thing say human being dey quick forget wetin God don do for them. Na the reason wey be say he put reminder for himself for the memory verse wey we read today. After he don put reminder for himself so for Psalm 103 verse 2, na so he come go open book of remembrance of all the better things wey God don do for him life. Na so he come dey praise Baba God. That one na him we see for Psalm 103 verse 3 to 5. He praise Baba God say he forgive am him sin, he heal am and he come save am from destruction. He come praise Baba God say Baba God love am well and he dey show am mercy. He praise God too say he give am plenty good things and power wey be like eagle wing. My brethren, e dey important say make una always dey remember the better things wey Baba God don do for una life. Baba God create una for him image and that one be better reason wey una suppose thank am every time. Jesus sacrifice for cross for una sin and the sin for the whole world. Another correct reason wey we suppose dey thank Baba God every time. Una suppose dey thank am every time as he don save una from sin punishment and every evil wey dey this world today. Just like David so, una must dey give am thanks well for him love and him forgiveness. Bible talk say una for don kpeme if no be God wey dey forgive all of una sin. That one dey for Lamentation chapter 3 verse 22. So una dey owe Baba God una life. I dey sure say I fit talk pass this one and I still fit no talk all the reason wey una suppose dey praise Baba God every time. My brethren, make una open book of remembrance for all the better things wey Baba God don do for una life today. Make una come start to dey praise am o. The main message today be say make una praise God throughout today and make sure say e dey part of una as from today. I thank una as una lis ten to the open heavens of the go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye.